G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Tuesday, the 8th of July. And all eyes are on southern Australia on Tuesday as this intense cold front is likely to whip across South Australia, Victoria, Tasmania and New South Wales with showers, damaging winds, possible thunderstorms and even raised dust for our inland areas and communities. And we do have a number of severe weather warnings current for that, so make sure you check out our severe weather video for that. Elsewhere around the country, high pressure dominates much of eastern and northern Australia and even into western areas as well, bringing dry, mild and cool conditions. So let's have a look around the country for Tuesday. Firstly, in the Sunshine State, Queensland, well, sunshine will be ample right across the state of Queensland on Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid to high 20s through western and northern areas, into the low to mid 20s through areas through southeastern parts of Queensland after a cold and frosty morning for some of our inland locations through southern inland Queensland. Brisbane looking at a lovely sunny day and 22 degrees. Moving down into New South Wales, high pressure mostly dominating northern and eastern areas, but note that front moving into western and southern areas later in the day. That's going to bring showers and very gusty winds, so watch out for that. But further to the east and north, another dry and sunny day on the way. Temperatures in the mid to high teens for most of the state after some morning frost areas through inland parts. Sydney looking at a partly cloudy day and 19 degrees. Canberra a possible late shower and 13. Moving down into Victoria, we're really going to feel that front move through with a band of rain, isolated thunderstorms, strong and damaging winds, and even alpine snow through the latter part of Tuesday into Tuesday night. Temperatures will also plummet behind the cold front as well, so pretty cool conditions through southwestern areas where that front moves through earlier, but a bit warmer ahead of that front through northern areas. It's going to be a wild and woolly day for much of the state. Melbourne looking at showers and 14 degrees with some strong and gusty winds. Moving down into Tasmania, a similar theme there as that front moves in a little bit later on Tuesday. So we're going to see a band of rain and strong and gusty winds, particularly through western and northern areas. And that's going to bring a lot of wild and woolly conditions down there. Hobart looking at showers and 14 degrees, but probably not as much rain as we're going to see through western and northern areas. Moving up into South Australia, a similar story. This strong front will race across the state on Tuesday, bringing damaging winds, showers, raised dust and isolated coastal thunderstorms. Now for those looking for rain, unfortunately it's a fast mover, so we're not going to see the soaking rain that we really need, but coastal areas could see a decent drop. Adelaide, wet and windy with showers and 15 degrees. Moving into Western Australia, that high pressure ridging in, that's going to ease conditions for much of southern and western parts of the state. We're still going to see a few coastal showers through the Perth area and down along the south coast, while inland areas and northern areas staying dry, warm and mostly sunny. Perth looking at a few showers and 16 degrees. Then finally, across the tropical north, dry season in full swing across northern Australia. So it is hot, it is dry and it is sunny for the Kimberley, the top end and even for northern Queensland as well. Southern NT looking a little bit cooler there with temperatures to start off the day, but still getting into the low to mid 20s with lots of sunshine. And Darwin 32 with lots of sunshine. So with the wild weather around southern parts of the country tomorrow, make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings by our website and app. And we'll see you again tomorrow.